Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can add full reel to Instagram story. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to your account's homepage. Now, if you want to add full reel to your Instagram story, follow these steps. First, locate the target reels you would like to add to your story. You can try looking for it in the Reels tab. Once you find it, tap on the share icon at the right side and then copy its link. Once done, close the Instagram app and open up the Play Store or App Store. Inside it, search for Repost and then download this app. Once the downloading is completed, open it up and it may prompt you to get the paid plan. Simply wait a little bit and the target reel will appear on your screen. Now tap on it and it will open up. After that, select story from the available options. So that's basically how you can add full reel to Instagram story. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.